So, captured this swarm in my 5-gallon bucket I had hanging from the tree. I had cardboard on the inside with wax painted on the inside. I roughed up the edges inside of the plastic. I put a piece of cardboard, put beeswax on the inside, and I sprayed Swarm Commander in there probably about a week or two ago. They've been coming around. I had a couple more spots in my wood line where I've had swarm traps set up. I went over there and I started looking just to see if I could spot the queen, and sure enough, literally within the first minute I spotted the queen. I got it with my catcher. I brought it over here to my hive setup. This is my first time catching a swarm, so it's pretty crazy, pretty amazing, and I'm grateful to the bees for picking my yard. So now I just gotta wait and make sure that they settle in. They all go in there. They should. I got their queen, so hopefully they'll all start following in there pretty soon. I could shake them in there, but I was hoping they would start up their own march and kind of go in there themselves. So we'll see what happens. We'll check back with you in a little bit.